3.
Welcome back, YouTube. Today, we're gonna be talking about the Floyd Sink Down Couch. This couch is one of the best things that we have invested in as we've become adults, and we've invested in pieces around our house outside of electronics, camera gear, computers, and looking for things that can really add value to our lives. I had originally shot a video of the unboxing and our first reactions, and then us a week later. Looking back on it, it doesn't express how I really do love this couch. So in this video, I think I'm gonna actually break it down to you of why I love this couch, our experience getting this couch, and walking through our favorite bits of it. First, I think I'll just show you kind of what the unboxing experience was like, and we'll go from there. So we got the Floyd couch, and then you can kind of see how big Emma is, 5'7". It's packaged really well, so there's a lot of that stuff, but that's like the edge. That's one of the sides. We only got 2 pieces, so it's just that one. So now you're on the top of the box. This box is a good solid like 4 foot.
At least.
Like at least 4 feet high. So now like you can kind of see the mess. We're gonna unbox to this. That's the bottom. So how we did it last time was we flipped the bottom over so that we could do it from the bottom, and then we just kind of unfolded the things and then slipped it out. It's the easiest instead of trying to like lift the box. You definitely need a box cutter. It's wrapped pretty tight. This is the couch, and then we just kind of slid it out. Now we're gonna fold up the cardboard box. What are you trying?
I'm trying to get the box out of the way, but the couch is on it.
Okay. You don't have to worry about like cutting the cutting the actual couch with the box. It has to go through the tape and 2 layers of cardboard to actually cut, and then even more plastic to cut through everything. So now we're gonna fold this up. Come here, buddy. Come here. Good boy. Oh. Can you get it? Oh, good boy. Good boy. All right, so now we're gonna unwrap this bad boy. We're gonna move it here. We're gonna unwrap it and then kind of show you. Like the pillows come on top, so it's like all nicely packaged, and then we're gonna set everything up. It looks heavy, but it's honestly not too super heavy. And then voila. Boom. That's how it comes. It's just like a couch compressed. So this is the right side, this is the left side, so we're just gonna move them about.
Oh, we're lifting it. You didn't tell me that. My first impression is that I really, really like them. They're not as heavy as they look, but also one cool little feature is that the big pillows have latches so they don't slide around. So like I could pull this and this is as far as it goes. Our last couch had a big problem that the cushions would like slowly slide out. Big fan.
Let me show you this. I think this is really cool. I've never had a sectional before, so this is like all new to me. There's these like metal clasps, and then there's a side on this side that it connects, so it sticks together. Where our last couch had just like an ottoman, so it didn't stick together. Now we're gonna try setting it up.
Are they lined up?
You wanna go on that side?
Oh wait, this one's lined up. Is yours lined up?
So this is the couch. We're gonna try it out for the first time.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I really like it.
It's comfortable, huh?
Definitely a sink down.
Yeah, definitely.
It's like, it's hard to have like good posture on this thing unless you're like back here.
What do you think, Bosco? What do you think of the couch, buddy? Do you like it? Oh, is it head worthy?
Pause. It's just a little camera shot, that's all.
What are your thoughts?
It's really comfortable. I like that I can fully lay down and my feet don't hang off the edge and I still have arm room up here. I think that that's a huge win.
Oh, easy. Easy money.
Do you like the couch, Bosco? Oh, he said yes.
So it's the next day. Let me show you. He's already acclimated. He loves this thing. He immediately after our walk just jumped right on there. I would say Bosco really approves of it. Last night he hopped up and slept with us as well. We were able to fit fully both Emma and I on the couch, as well as Bosco laying like this and taking up like half of it. So far, first day in, we're loving it. So hopefully that gave you a little insight to what the unboxing period is like. It comes in 2 big boxes. We got the 2 sectional and it's very well packaged. There was damage to the outside of the boxes. However, because of the layers of wrapping, the couch itself did not come damaged. We didn't notice any fraying, any defects in the couch when we first got it. It came very well packaged and is extremely comfortable. So after having this couch for 6 months, I can confidently tell you I would buy it again. Now, let me preface it by saying, when you look on Floyd's website, note that the shipping times are from when their shipping partner will then pick up the product, and then there's more time from when the shipping partner gets to the final destination. For us, when we purchased it, it took about 9 weeks, almost to the date, like it was almost 10 weeks for it to be delivered to the shipping partner, and then 4 weeks after that. As I mentioned in the unboxing experience part of this video, if you've never bought furniture before, which I hadn't at the time, the delivery partner will work with a local vendor. That local vendor will contact you when they get that shipment in, and they'll call you, make sure you have availability during this time frame, and then the day before they'll text you a time frame for the delivery window. What that means is we got the delivery window and it was 1 through 6. Next day, we just had to make sure someone was here. However, due to actual weather conditions, it got delayed another day. It was a Friday night when this actually got delivered. The delivery, I think, was pretty smooth. The guys came. Ours, we were the last delivery of the day, so we were actually unsure if it was gonna get delivered. Because typically they say 30 minutes before. They called us at 6:45 and said, "Are you guys ready? We're on our way to deliver your shipment." They had a giant truck and we kind of walked them through how we think we can get the couch into this small living space. So after owning this couch, this is how we use it every single day. A couple of tips when you do end up getting this couch, if you are interested in it, we actually have the side pillows over here, tucked in between the big pillow, like the base pillow, because it kind of keeps those pillows secure. And when someone's sitting on either side, then it's not splitting in the middle. That was something we figured out on our first day. And we realized even though it does have a protective layer on it, we've had to wipe off, stains, food stains, even like at one point our dog, we live in a very dry place, so he gets like really dry elbows and he licks them, and so we have to like put a cone on him and all that thing. And we had this couch during that time and he got blood on the couch. With that, we just took a wash rag and rubbed it out and it was perfectly fine. So the protective layer is really good. Despite that, when you have a dog, mitigating mess and being able to, clean the blanket and not have to clean the couch every single time is one of the main reasons we just took this big king size Costco blanket and we kind of cover the couch with it. We have the 2 sectional, and as you can see, it's pretty big. Both of us have been able to fit on here, which wasn't possible with our last couch. I've fallen asleep here, most notably last night. And let me kind of show you, like, as a full grown, a 5'8" man, I can lay comfortably on this couch and I can have someone else on here and I can have our dog can be laying there and I can be very comfortable. If I'm being fully honest, when I was doing my initial research, I was looking at other brands and a lot of those prices were in the 3,000s. What's great about Floyd is it seems like there's always a continuous discount going on their store. And so if you keep checking back in over time, you can find a discount that fits your budget. I mean, I think one of the perks of this couch too is, being able to fully crisscross, sit, lounge, lay down, and just the flexibility within this couch has made it amazing. Now, something that they do note that I think is super important, because it is a sink down couch and it's more of like a comfort, like relaxation couch, you're gonna have to do some form fitting and fluffing it up here and there to make it look presentable. For us, we don't really have too many people over all the time. This is kind of what the current state of the couch is. So for us, we just wanted a certain style of couch and we wanted to have something that we could sink down in. And we wanted to have something that we could lounge, fit 2 people and a mid-sized dog. And this was a perfect fit for us. And I'll be honest too, like this was not an easy purchase. I'm a 25-year-old starting out in the corporate world, and making a decision to buy an expensive piece of furniture was not one of the things I was excited for. However, every day since we've had this couch, I haven't regretted purchasing it. And now hopefully this longer term review has told you a little bit about this couch, and you've kind of seen how this couch is really displayed in a very normal setting. But just know, if you have to move soon, or you're thinking of moving in the next 3 to 4 months, I wouldn't purchase this couch. I would wait to move, then purchase it. For me, the shipping time was probably the biggest red flag of everything. And we've had Floyd furniture before, and it's taken 6 to 8 weeks. However, this one took 15 weeks, and it was a little bit out of the norm. I get it because it is a bigger piece, but that's really the only bad thing I could say. And we've bought from Floyd before, so we kind of think it's kind of an outlier, and we live really in the middle of nowhere. So shipping here is a little bit harder to get to than traditionally other places, or like a big city, for example. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. If you liked the video, please leave it a like. Hit subscribe if you're interested in more tech and lifestyle reviews, and I'll see you guys next week with another video next Thursday. Keep creating, have fun, peace out.